The 2025 Ford Fiesta marks a significant evolution in the compact car segment, blending modern design, advanced technology, and efficient performance. This comprehensive review delves into its exterior and interior design, performance capabilities, safety features, and overall value proposition. Exterior design. The 2025 Fiesta showcases a more aggressive and sporty aesthetic compared to its predecessors. The front fascia features a wider grille and angular LED headlights, contributing to a dynamic and contemporary appearance. The sculpted hood and sporty front bumper enhance its road presence, while the rear is adorned with LED taillights and an integrated spoiler, improving aerodynamics and fuel efficiency. Interior design and comfort. Inside, the Fiesta's cabin has been thoughtfully redesigned to offer a modern and upscale environment. The dashboard and center console present a clean and intuitive layout, utilizing high-quality materials and soft-touch surfaces. Seating arrangements provide ample legroom and headroom for all passengers, with options for premium cloth or leather upholstery. The seats are supportive and comfortable, making long journeys pleasant. Additionally, the interior features a larger touchscreen infotainment system, supporting Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless connectivity on the go. Performance and handling. Under the hood, the 2025 Fiesta offers two engine options. A 1.0-liter EcoBoost 3-cylinder engine, delivering 100 PS and 170 Nm of torque. A 1.5-liter TDCi diesel engine, producing 85 PS and 215 Nm of torque. Both engines are paired with a 5-speed manual transmission as standard, with an optional 6-speed automatic transmission available. The Fiesta's performance is commendable, with the 1.0-liter EcoBoost engine accelerating from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 10.5 seconds. Fuel efficiency is impressive, with the 1.0-liter engine returning up to 60 miles per gallon on the combined cycle, making it an economical choice for daily commuting. Safety features. Safety is a paramount focus in the 2025 Fiesta, equipped with a comprehensive suite of advanced safety features. Forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking, detects potential collisions and applies brakes automatically to mitigate impact. Lane keeping assist, monitors lane positioning and alerts the driver of unintentional deviations. Blind spot monitoring with rear cross traffic alert, warns of vehicles in blind spots and during reversing maneuvers. Adaptive cruise control, maintains a safe following distance by adjusting speed based on traffic conditions. These features contribute to the Fiesta's high safety ratings, providing peace of mind for drivers and passengers alike. Technology and infotainment. The Fiesta is equipped with an advanced infotainment system featuring an 8-inch touchscreen display. The system is user-friendly and responsive, supporting Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for seamless smartphone integration. A premium sound system enhances the audio experience, and available features like a wireless charging pad add convenience. The integration of Ford's S1C4 system ensures drivers have access to navigation, music, and other applications effortlessly. Pricing and trim levels. The 2025 Ford Fiesta is available in multiple trim levels to cater to diverse preferences and budgets. Fiesta S. The base model offers standard features such as the 1.0-liter engine, manual transmission, and basic infotainment system. Fiesta SE adds features like the 1.5-liter engine, automatic transmission, and upgraded infotainment system. Fiesta Titanium, the most luxurious trim, featuring leather seats, a panoramic sunroof, and a premium sound system. Pricing starts at an affordable point, with the base model offering excellent value for its features. Higher trims provide additional amenities for those seeking a more premium experience. Conclusion. The 2025 Ford Fiesta stands out in the compact car segment by combining stylish design, comfortable interiors, efficient performance, and advanced safety features. Its modern technology and user-friendly infotainment system cater to the needs of contemporary drivers. Whether for urban commuting or longer journeys, the Fiesta offers a balanced and enjoyable driving experience, making it a compelling choice for those seeking a compact car with substance and style. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for updates of upcoming models.